In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a chart in Google Sheets. Let's start from the very beginning so everything is clear. Open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. At the top right, click the small grid icon, which opens the Google Apps menu. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're signed into your Google account. The menu appears when you're logged in. From that menu, choose Google Sheets to open the Sheets dashboard. Next, open the spreadsheet that contains the chart you want to print. Once your document is open, click directly on the chart to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border or handles around it. With the chart selected, look for the 3 vertical dots in the chart's top right corner. That's the More Options menu. Click it, then choose Move to Own Sheet. Moving the chart to its own sheet is important. It places the chart on a dedicated tab without the surrounding grid of cells. This makes printing much cleaner and ensures the chart scales more predictably to the page, without extra columns, rows, or grid lines getting in the way. Now, go to the top left of the screen and click File, then select Print. This opens the print setup and preview for your new chart sheet. You should see a live preview on the right and settings on the left. Here's where you fine-tune how the chart will appear on paper. Adjust the paper size to match what your printer uses, commonly letter or A4. Choosing the correct paper size helps the chart fill the page properly and prevents unexpected margins or clipping. If your team or region uses a standard size, pick that to keep everything consistent. Next, choose the page orientation. Landscape is often best for wide charts, while portrait can work well for tall or narrow ones. Use the preview to see which orientation gives your chart the most readable layout and avoids shrinking it too much. When the preview looks good, click Next. This hands things off to your browser or system print dialog, where you can pick your printer, confirm the number of copies, and choose color or black and white if needed. The preview here should match what you saw in Sheets, so it's a good final check. When you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and complete the print. And that's it. By moving the chart to its own sheet and adjusting paper size and orientation before printing, you ensure a clean, professional result every time. Thanks for watching and happy printing.